how to use niyoru, niyotte, and niyori. So these three pieces of grammar all stem from the same verb, yoru, for due to or depending on. And these are all different variations for how to express the cause, gain, the means, shudan, or depending on, shidai. So first we have the simplest form, niyoru. This is just the verb yoru following the ni particle. And you use niyoru after a noun to show that something is either caused by that noun, something is due to that noun, or that something depends on that noun. So first, if we have a look at how niyoru can be used to express the cause or the means of something. Like for example, due to. You often see this use being in between two nouns. Like here in heavy rain, drowning due to rainwater.
死因はすべて雨水による溺死。殺害は雨の多い秋に限られています。
Or an allergic reaction caused by chiral transmission.
この涙はカイラル通信によるアレルギー反応だ。
Or like here in Final Fantasy VII Remake, the common cause of death for soldiers is self-destruction due to degradation.
ソルジャーの死因で最も多いものは劣化による自己崩壊。
The next use is expressing the means of something. Like here in Metal Gear Solid 3, disinfection of the wound by antiseptic, or suturing by a suture kit. So here, niyoru is almost acting like the det particle, marking the means.
切創に対する処置は消毒薬による傷口の消毒、縫合セットによる縫合。
Like here in Nier Automata, annihilation by the black box.
新生ブラックボックス反応による敵大型兵器の殲滅。
Or voice communications by wireless and wired.
今できるのは無線と有線による音声通話とわずかなデータ通信という程度だ。
Like here in Nier Automata, an invasion by aliens.
外宇宙から飛来したエイリアンによる侵略。
Or the theft incidents by the beast. So you just use niyoru after a noun to express the cause or the means. By the beast. Beast or niyoru.
ビーストによる窃盗事件は認識されているだけで16カ国に及びます。
And the final main use is to express depending on. Kind of like something shidai. Now with niyoru, this is usually used at the end of a sentence, not in the middle like we saw previously with the cause and the means. So like here, it depends on the individual. Hito niyoru. It depends on the person.
いや、まあ、それは人によるかな。
And niyoru can also be seen in the polite form. Niyorimasu. Like here, it depends on the individual.
その代表として何をあげるかは個人によりますが、双方とも決して欠かせないものとなります。
最も相手をどう受け入れ、どう感じるかは皆さん一人一人の感覚によります。
And so that leads us to the next variation, niyotte. And this is just niyoru in the te form, so it functions just like the te form does. It's kind of like a gap in between two clauses, often seen used before a comma to kind of separate the sentence. Like here in Final Fantasy VII Remake, depending on the time of their construction. But the sentence isn't finished yet, so it uses niyotte. And then the following part is the structure varies.
魔コーラは建造された時期によって構造が違う。
Depending on the ability of the user.
使うものの力量によって弱くも強くもなる。
Depending on the circumstances.
状況によっては彼女が暴挙に出る可能性がある。
Depending on the quality of the feed that the cows eat.
牛は食べる餌の出来によっても牛乳の味や量が変わるものなんだ。
And this te form, niyotte, can also be used to express by, due to, and show the cause and the means of something. Like here in Gintama, the incidents caused by Benizakura.
こうして紅桜によって引き起こされた一連の事件は無事収束を迎えた。
Or by your hard work, or due to your hard work.
そなたたちの働きによって大いなる闇から大量のハートレスが溢れ出す事態は避けることができた。
Or due to, or by the attack of 2B, they were halted.
海岸に襲来していた超巨大機械生命体ですが、8時間前の 2B さんたちによる攻撃によって停止しました。
Or by the sudden appearance of the Titan, peace and the war were destroyed.
100年の平和は突如出現した超大型巨人によって 壁とともに破壊された。
Or the tranquility and peace of Japan was shattered by the sudden arrival of the foreign ships.
だが、静寂は突如現れた異国の黒船によって打ち破られる。
Or the world will be destroyed by the kaiju.
世界は怪獣によって滅ぼされる。
Or like here in this legendary scene from Dragon Ball Kakarot, the legendary warrior awakened by an intense anger.
激しい怒りによって目覚めた伝説の戦士。スーパーサイヤ人、孫悟空だ!
And finally we have Niyori, and this is just the more formal version of Niyotte.
生まれつきの病状により人並みの人生を歩めない子供たちもたくさん。
As this is actually technically the must stem of a verb, and the must stem of a verb can actually be used just like the tef form in more formal speech. So niyori is exactly the same as niyotte, but it's just for more formal situations, like for example a newscaster talking on TV.
終日降り続いた雨の影響により、各地とも気持ちのいい晴れ間とはいかないようです。
Or here's someone narrating a story due to Naruto's accomplishments.
ナルトの活躍により各図は倒され、再び平穏な時間が訪れた。
Or here in a bit more of a militaristic situation, speaking a little bit more formally, due to the deployment of the PMC.
事実、システムに制御された PMC の投入により、戦場での虐殺や人権侵害は大幅に軽減された。
Or the guard saying the town is currently under lockdown due to the approaching dragons.
止まれ! 町はドラゴンどもの接近により閉鎖中だ。
And so you'll often see the translation of either due to or by, like by the widespread use of Mako energy.
魔法エネルギーの普及により、我々の生活は格段に豊かになりました。
Or like here to be arrested by the police.
先月、稲葉市在住の7歳になる女子児童誘拐に及んだ際、容疑者は警察により逮捕。
But as you can see, all of these uses are actually quite similar. By, due to, caused by, and depending on are somewhat similar, just with slightly different nuances. Just remember that it can be used to express the cause or the means. You can use niyotte, the tef form, with any of the meanings, due to, caused by, or depending on. And you can use the more formal version of the tef form, niyori. So hopefully that's pretty straightforward. Niyoru is used to mark the cause, the means, or depending on something. There is also another use, niyoru to and niyoreba. But that's kind of a different grammar point, where it's more like according to. I've actually made a separate video on that if you want to check that out right here. So thanks so much guys for watching. I hope this video helped you out a little bit seeing how niyoru, niyotte, and niyori are used in Japanese. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and if you want to help come support the channel, then consider joining us on the Game Gengo Discord community, either directly through the website or through Patreon. There's a whole bunch of perks that you can get, like your names in credits, help with your Japanese, early access to videos and things like that, and even just hanging out and having a chat with everyone. So I hope you're enjoying learning Japanese. Thanks so much guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you all again in the next video. See you guys.